Hi, my name is Devansh Kapoor. So I sold for Amazon for a few months about 2 years ago. I used to sell in the category of fashion jewelry, and I shut down the business at that time because I could not scale it and get the kind of returns that I was looking for. Now I'm looking to restart my business with the help of Ali Lokhandwal.
How long you have been selling on Amazon?
So I sold on Amazon for a period of 3 to 4 months. That was about 2 years ago. And after that, I shut down my business, and I'm planning to restart the business soon.
What motivated you to start selling on Amazon?
So I used to follow Ali Lokhandwala and I used to engage with his content regularly on Instagram. And from there, I got a lot of inspiration. I saw a lot of success stories, and I followed his content from the course UASM. So that really inspired me and made me feel that even I can understand this business and actually succeed in it.
What challenges have you faced while selling on Amazon? How did you overcome them?
So my major challenges were a lack of understanding of how the system works, how the algorithm works. But with the help of Ali Bhai's technical, expertise and the UASM course, I was able to understand how to operate your listing as per the algorithm.
What specific topics or strategies covered in the workshops were most valuable to you?
So for me, I think like since I'm already into advertising on Facebook and Google, the advertising part of Amazon's algorithm, that was something really interesting. And also learning Helium 10 as a tool, it really helped me strengthen my technical understanding of how to succeed on the platform. Workshop definitely exceeded my expectations because it was really hospitable and the everything was great. The overall experience, we got to meet a lot of new people as well, so it was great for network building, and definitely the learning experience was amazing.
What are the most important lessons or insights you gained from the workshop?
So I think I've got a very overall bird's eye view, a 360-degree kind of a perspective on how to become a professional Amazon seller now. So I think I'm really excited to start this journey now and start importing some products from China and really get into the scene now.
So, based on your experience, would you recommend this workshop to others interested in selling on Amazon?
Yes, definitely. I would recommend this workshop to 10 out of 10 people who are taking this, who are into Amazon selling or want to get into this business.
So, how would you describe your overall experience with the program or the services that you have enrolled?
All of my experience with his services and programs have been 10 on 10, and I've gotten maximum value out of it.